Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another funny yummy, which is a lion for a snack or for lunch. It's very easy. The only thing is that you might have to work a bit for your carrots. But let's not linger and let's get to it. Our lion will need the following: 2 slices of cheese, any type of cheese is fine, 1 slice of bread, it's already toasted and warm, 1 slice of salami, ham, for me it's mozzarella, my big favorite and all-time favorite when I was a child, grated carrots, the video of me grating the carrots is here, cucumber and a few black olives. Place your slice of bread onto a plate. On top of it, place your ham, fold it if necessary. Add your slice of cheese. And now let's make a nice hairdo for the lion. And now we start making his face. We start by cutting out the ears. We take the other slice of cheese that we have and cut triangles. 1. And another one. We put them aside and proceed with the face. So you'll need a nose. Here's the nose and 2 eyes. We want them to be more or less symmetrical, so something like this can work, but he looks quite psychedelic. We can make it more or less like this and eat the rest. And then we make the paws. For the paws we take another olive, half it, slice that, and this, and we keep these parts. Now we assemble him. So here's our lion. We start by placing the eyes and the nose. Then we had the ears, 1 ear, and the other ear. So what's missing? He doesn't have a mouth. So we take another olive, cut it down more or less in the middle to make a mouth. Now our lion has a mouth. We shouldn't forget to give him some feet. And he's missing now some whiskers because he's a lion and he's a cat, and cats have whiskers. So optionally you can put a few sesame seeds here to give the impression he has some whiskers. And a few here. And now we make the whiskers. We'll put him aside. Take out our cucumber. And try to make juliennes, which means thinly cut it. Hide a bit the green. And here we have our lion. Now you can use whatever dressing you would like to for your carrots. We're going to use a dressing made out with lemon juice, olive oil and salt. But you can eat it plain or you can use any dressing that you like. And this is our lion. Here we have our finished lion. This will be our lunch today. Well, for one of us and part of it. But Thanks again for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you would like to show me your lion's creations, please send me your creation or tag me on Instagram. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!